Okay, so Rahul and Bharti have also joined the class. So if there is a gap of 3-4 days, does everyone forget that today is the class? Is it? Because your last class was on Wednesday, so that might be an issue. So just let me make my notes and then I'll start. We'll start with the class. તો 4 દિવસનો ગેપ પડ્યો છે થર્સડે ફ્રાઈડે સેટરડે સન્ડે એટલે આપણા છેલ્લા બે ક્લાસનું હું તમને જસ્ટ રીકેપ કરી દઉં તો ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસમાં આપણે કર્યું હતું હાઉ ટુ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ યોરસેલ્ફ અને એનું મેં હોમવર્ક આપ્યું હતું અને સેકન્ડ ક્લાસમાં મેં નાઉન્સ વોટ આર નાઉન્સ એ શીખવાડ્યું હતું અને એમાં તમને મેં હોમવર્ક આપ્યું હતું કે કોમન નાઉન પ્રોપર નાઉન કલેક્ટિવ and abstract noun એનું હોમવર્ક કરો અને ઘણા બધાએ કર્યું બી છે right I have seen I have corrected also whoever has sent me I have corrected so today let's move ahead because we have 12 sessions for this basic English. So out of 12 we have already completed 2 sessions. I have 10 sessions left. Okay, so today's topic, after I have taught you nouns, now just to make you remember what are nouns. So person, a place, thing, animal, those are nouns. Okay, and feelings, apna bhavarth, feelings be nouns hoy shake che. They are abstract nouns. અને એમાં of course male female ના બી nouns આવે છે, common gender માં બી nouns આવે છે. And I hope everyone understands Gujarati as the second language. I hope everyone understands what I'm saying in Gujarati. Okay, now topic for today is going to be articles. So can anyone tell me what are articles?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Rahul is all set. Yes.
બોલું
હા બોલો બોલો.
હા ઓકે એટલે મેં કીધું બોલવાનું કીધું કે હા પાડી એટલે હું ઉપર રહી ગયો એ એન ને ધ ત્રણ આર્ટિકલ્સ.
Okay.
Correct.
So a and the. Okay, these are the 3 articles that we have in English. And these articles are always used before nouns. Okay, so let's make sure that we know when to use a, when to use an, and when to use the. Fine. If you're writing down something, you can write down this, that there are 3 articles in English: a, an, the. When are articles used? Articles are used before proper nouns, or common nouns, or just any nouns. That's my question. When are articles used? Anyone?
વસ્તુ કે ઓબ્જેક્ટ પહેલા?
Proper nouns પહેલા વપરાય articles?
ના, proper noun માં article ના વપરાય.
અમુક વખતે વપરાય.
વપરાય
So,
વપરાય
અમુક વખતે હા બોલો.
જેમ કે તાજમહેલ છે તો ધ વપરાય ત્યારે.
શેમાં ધ વપરાય?
તાજમહેલ છે એ વસ્તુ પ્રોપર હોય ને તો એમાં વપરાય.
હા right, you're right. Okay, so first of all let me explain an, when to use an. So an is used before a vowel. હવે vowels નો concept ગુજરાતી કે હિન્દીમાં નથી આપણે, બરાબર છે? But in English we have the concept of vowels. So a, e, I, o, u are vowels. Rahul, you're speaking but you are muted.
હેલો, સંભળાય છે? એને સ્વર કહેવાય, એ ઈ આઈ ઓ યુ ગુજરાતીમાં.
You have vowels in Gujarati? Okay, fine. Great. Bharti, you were also saying the same thing? You were also wanting to say something?
હા મેમ, ઓકે.
Okay. So A, E, I, O, U, those are vowels in English, and before that you will use N. So to give you examples of vowels, of course, I will say an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, right? So there I'm going to use an. Now, okay, interestingly, one more thing. Now here I will not use when I'm talking about uniform. Okay, so I'm talking about uniform. What sound are you getting here?
N આવે madam.
You are getting y, right?
Yo. હા.
Nah, એટલે when you use uniform, you're not going to use N. You will not say N uniform. Because you are not getting the sound U of U. Umbrella. So you will say an umbrella. And if you are going to use uniform, you will not use an uniform.
Okay, A uniform.
Ha. Same thing for, I'm giving you another example. આપણે જે continent છે Europe. તો આપણે એમ કહીએ ને European man or European woman. So there also you're getting year. Europe spelling is EUROPE, but you're not going to say an European, you will say a European. Okay? Otherwise, of course, A, E, I, O, U, you're going to use N. હવે confusion ક્યાં થાય છે? Students ને, English medium ના students ને બી confusion થાય છે. ક્યારે વાપરવાનું અને ક્યારે વાપરવાનું. એમાં confusion થતું હોય છે. So let us try and maybe make this little easier for you. Let's try and solve this confusion. So can you tell me that when do we use a and when do we use the? No, it's not about silent words, Krishna. No. What else? Any other theory? रिजवाना आप गुजराती नहीं समझते हो शायद. So मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि हम अ कब यूज करते हो और ध कब यूज करते हैं. एंड मैंने आपको सबको समझाया कि जो वर्ड्स ए ई आई ओ यू से स्टार्ट होते हैं उसमें हम एन यूज करेंगे. बट ए और ध कब हम यूज करेंगे वो मेरा क्वेश्चन था.
મેમ એ છે ને ઈ આઈ ઓ યુ સિવાય એના જે વ્યંજન કહેવાય એને લગભગ બધામાં એ લાગે સિવાય કે કોઈ પ્રોપર નામ હોય ત્યાં ધ લાગશે બાકી બધે એ લાગશે.
No, that's not correct.
Okay.
No. Any other theory anyone has?
એકવચનમાં વપરાય મતલબ
સિંગ્યુલર માટે એમ કે છે તું? પણ હું સિંગ્યુલર માટે બી ધ પેન્સિલ ધ બુક તો યુઝ કરી શકું છું ને. હા. Then anybody else think?
છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ જે હોય છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ માટે વપરાય છે. અને ધ છે જે સ્પેશિયલ જે કે કોઈ પણ નામ આપેલું છે ગમે તે સિટીનું જે સ્પેશિયલ આમ પરફેક્ટ કહેવાય ને.
Okay, not exactly, Bharti, not exactly. But so I can use a when I'm talking about something general. First of all, a has to be singular, that is for sure. And I can use for something general. So if I say that, please give me a pencil. Okay, that means I mean any pencil. So I will say, please give me a pencil. But I want some specific pencil. I will say, give me the pencil. Okay. So you need to remember that you use it for singular things, singular only one. And it could mean anything. And you will use the when you're talking about something specific. Okay. Now, for people who do not speak English correctly, the નો યુઝેજ ઘણીવાર બહુ જ ખોટો થતો હોય છે. राइट ध का यूजेज प्रॉपरली नहीं होता है. वो भी मैंने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया है. तो ध कब हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो यू नेवर एवर यूज ध बिफोर अ पर्सन्स नेम. सो आई कैन नॉट कॉल यू ध राहुल और आई कैन नॉट से ध संगीता और ध कृष्णा. किसी के नाम के पहले हम कभी ध नहीं लगाएं. ओके, that's very wrong, grammatically wrong. Fine. Then before a city you're not going to use the Ahmedabad. I'm going to the Ahmedabad tomorrow. That's grammatically totally incorrect. तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं उठता, तो हम यूज नहीं करेंगे कोई नाम या सिटी के पहले, बट ध भी नहीं यूज करें. ओके, so the we use when we are talking about some specific objects, and the we do not use before a person's name. We do not use it before the name of a city or a town. The India we cannot use. When do I use the for a country? Can you think and tell me which country's name we use the before?
The United Nations.
United Nations, yes, it's the name of an organization, right? It's not a country. United
Okay.
Nations. But we say United States. United States of America.
Yes.
That time we use the.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's because it's plural. United States of America. Correct?
Yes.
फिर anybody else ऐसा कुछ सुना है आपने कि कोई कंट्री के पहले हम द यूज करते हैं?
આપણે જ્યારે ઓલું કહીએ ધ ઇન્ડિયન ભારતીય,
But Indian we are saying, we are not saying India.
આ તો ધ લાગે કે ન લાગે મેમ?
એટલે ઇન્ડિયન ટીમ વિશે વાત કરીએ છે.
ધ
The
ઇન્ડિયન પર્સન, હું એમ કહું કે ધ ઇન્ડિયન.
Yes, you can use the Indian. Yes. The Indian man is standing there. That you can say. And if you are talking about any, then you will use an Indian, right? Because I is a vowel. Okay. So I can use the before USA, United States of America. I will use the before UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay. That is also plural. But I will not use the before any other country. So I can't say the Australia, the India. It's absolutely wrong. और किसके पहले हम the use करते हैं? Proper nouns. I'm talking about proper nouns, names of people, places, things.
The earth is round.
हाँ, the earth is round. Yes, that time we'll say the because बहुत specific है the. Earth एक बहुत specific चीज है. The sun भी हम बोलेंगे because एक ही sun है, एक ही earth है, right? We can also use, yes, anybody.
The moon.
Moon, yes, yes.
The Himalaya, the Taj Mahal.
Yes. Monuments के पहले ऐसे कुछ like rivers के पहले भी हम the use करते हैं. तो we do say the Ganga or the Yamuna. Okay, Krishna company. Now when you're talking about a company, for example, I'm talking about Apple as a company. Okay, so I won't say the Apple. I won't say that. Okay, I'll say Apple only. If I'm talking about Google, I'll not say the Google. That is not grammatically correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, अहमदाबाद में अब कौन सी रेस्टोरेंट बहुत फेमस है? सपोज have more restaurants. So I'm not going to say I'm going to the have more restaurant. I'm going to have more restaurant. Yes, I will say that way only. And if I'm going to Taj Mahal, yes, I can say I'm going to visit the Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal is on the banks of the river Yamuna. That's correct. Okay. I am going to there's one more country that uses its name in plural. That's Netherlands. Netherlands is plural. So yes, we can use the Netherlands. Okay. These are just a few examples I'm giving. What else can I give you an example? Okay, I'm going to use a sentence. I want you all to tell me whether it's grammatically correct or incorrect. Okay, I will say a sentence. The Nile River flows through the Egypt. The Nile River Egypt में बहती है, वो sentence है. The Nile River flows through the Egypt.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay.
Correct.
Is
Correct.
saying correct.
Correct.
Rahul is saying correct. Then what others?
Correct.
Correct. The Nile River flows through the Egypt. Is that correct? Because मैंने अभी बोला कि country के
ma'am,
नाम के
ma'am.
हाँ.
No, ma'am.
The Nile River goes to ખાલી ઇજિપ્ટ આવે, ધ ન આવે.
That's what I'm teaching you. I can't say the Egypt. I have to say the Nile River flows through Egypt. The Nile River flows to the Egypt. That is wrong. Okay? अभी वही सिखाया मैंने आप लोगों को. Okay, next sentence I'm giving you. A ship drowned in the Arabian Sea. Bolo. A ship drowned in the Arabian Sea.
The ship drowned in the Arabian Sea.
Here I can use a ship because I'm not specific about the ship. I don't know specifically which ship it is, okay? But the Arabian Sea, is it correct or is it not correct?
करेक्ट में क्योंकि एक ही Arabian Sea, हाँ.
Because there's only one Arabian Sea, so I can say the Arabian Sea. Correct? अब मुद्दासिर भी एक ही है ऐसे, तो but मैं the मुद्दासिर नहीं बोल सकती. Right? हाँ, means that you all need to remember कि किसी के नाम के पहले the अ या the नहीं लगाएंगे. All right? Remember that. Though
Yes.
you are all unique, but you cannot put the or a before your names. Okay. Now next sentence. The Times of India is a leading newspaper of India. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, when I have told you that we cannot use the before the name of a country, okay? We can't say the India, the France, the Australia. We cannot say it. You can only use the when it is plural. Like United Arab Emirates, United States of America, Netherlands, that you can use for sure. But suppose I say that the Japanese people are very hardworking. Suppose I use that. The Japanese people are very hardworking. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is correct. I can say the Indians, the Japanese, the French. That will be correct. Okay? Okay. Then there is one more important difference in where we use a and when we use the. So one, I have explained to you that a you will use before something singular and a you will use when it's a very general thing. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, तब हम लोग a use करेंगे. और the जब हम specific चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, तभी हम the use करेंगे. Now you have to use the before uncountable nouns, okay? Ab uncountable nouns, do you all understand what are uncountable nouns? Do you want me to give this to you on the chat that you can save it on the chat? Shall I put it on the chat? Will that be helpful for you to remember or no? Tell me. Okay. Rahul is saying yes. What about you others? Should I put it on the chat? Okay. If two
મેમ
of
પણ તમે ચાર્ટમાં જે લખશો ને એ રેકોર્ડિંગમાં નહીં આવે કેમ કે ચાર્ટ સેક્શન રેકોર્ડિંગમાં નથી આવતું.
Okay. પણ તમે અત્યારે એ સેવ કરી શકો ને, કોપી પેસ્ટ તો કરી શકો છો ને? એ કરી શકશો, રાઈટ?
હા, કોપી પેસ્ટ કરી શકીએ સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈને.
હા, કાં તો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ શકો છો, કાં તો તમે કોપી પેસ્ટ કરી શકો છો, રાઈટ? તો એ હું ફટાફટ કરી દઉં. તો એ કદાચ તમને વાંચીને થોડું રિટેન્શનમાં હેલ્પ કરે. So and use before noun starting with A, E, I, O, U. Okay? And use before singular nouns and when it is about a general object. The use before specific objects. I'm giving you some examples also. Yes, an orange. Yes. And see, a pen, a table, I can even use the same thing and say the pen, the table. Because here I'm talking about something specific. Okay, so yes, Tahir is giving honest. Okay, so honest, yes, it is spelled with H. But we can say an honest man. We do say an honest man because you're not pronouncing H. Yes, an onion. Correct? Okay, and now I'm just giving you, don't use the. When you don't use the before a person's name or country's name. That except. Okay? And when to use the. So before the names of rivers, mountains, you understand monuments, no? Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, those are monuments. And this was the last example I was giving you when to use the before uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns એટલે શું?
जिसको गिन नहीं सकते वो जो
हाँ,
चीज का
means like I can
स्टार
give me an example if you can, Mutasif.
स्टार मैम फिर स्टार के बाद
स्टार
हाँ
में as such नहीं काउंट करूंगी. What I can say is something like water. नहीं, sky तो हम लोग
हाँ
ऐसे ही take the sky as a whole. So we
होल
can't say sky is uncountable. But
ओके
water, milk, वो
मिल्क
सब
हाँ
चीजें हम लोग
हाँ
ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं कि give me a milk. Okay? You're going to say the milk. Or you can say I want one bottle of milk. I want one packet of milk. But otherwise milk and all is considered to be uncountable. So before uncountable nouns, you're going to use the. Okay. So I think the best way to do is I am going to give you some exercises in the class and I am going to keep typing it so you can keep looking at the chat. It will be easier for you if you are seeing what I am typing. Okay. So what our exercise is going to be use a and the whatever you think correct that I'm writing. Yes, everyone in the class, you are with me. You know what we are doing. Correct? Everyone knows what we are supposed to do. I think everyone's paying attention in the class. Okay. So first one I'm going to write that we have a Bharti in the class. The sentence is on a Bharti. Okay. Bharti is dash intelligent girl. What's going to be the correct answer?
ए में यूज होगा भारती इज अ इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल
मैंने आपको वावल सिखाए हैं ना.
हाँ
वावल कौन से होते हैं?
ए ई आई ओ यू
हाँ, तो इंटेलिजेंट कौन से लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है? आई.
आई एन एन आएगा एन हाँ
करेक्ट.
भारती इज अ एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल
Correct. Okay, so this is the correct answer. It's N. That's why just think. That is the reason why I'm making you do this. Okay. Now this sentence is a bit long. You'll have to think. Okay. Before you give the answer, because there will be two, three blanks that you have to fill up. Just a minute, I'm typing it.
lesson.
Piyush borrowed dash book from his friend. Dash book was written by Chetan Bhagat. So to fill in the blanks you have to do. Think.
Piyush is the book from the.
Krishna, your answer is for the first blank or the second blank?
Piyush borrowed the book from his friend.
Hello?
The was writing by Chinese.
बोलो. Rahul, what?
બોલું
हाँ, हाँ बोलो.
Piyush borrowed a book from
Hmm.
his friend, and the book is written by.
Correct. Okay. Yes. So Bharti has also given the correct answer, but I am also putting it. Okay. This is the correct answer. Piyush borrowed a book because it's general. कि a book उसने borrow की, कोई भी book हो सकती है. अब मैंने specifically लिखा है कि book was written by चेतन भगत. तो अब हम एक वही book के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Same book के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये specific हो जाता है. That is why I have used the. Okay. That I am trying to explain to you. कि a कब मैंने use किया और the कब use किया, same book के बारे में. Okay. Fine. Now, अभी ये जो sentence है, maybe mostly you people will not know about this, but this happened many years ago during the Second World War. The Second World War कब हुई थी शायद आप लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. It ended in 1945. So it's really been a very long time. So dash Japanese attacked. I've used the wrong word. Instead of attached, it should be attacked American naval base at Pearl Harbor. So Pearl Harbor was the place जहाँ पे American Navy का base था. So this is true.
The Japanese attack the naval army and naval army.
Naval base. Okay. So the good thing is that you guys are answering me. That's the good thing. Now some of the answers are wrong. Now the correct answer, let me give. So the first one is going to be the, and the second one is also going to be the. Now why? Okay, why I am not taking N because it's American, but why I'm taking the? Because ये मैंने स्पेसिफिकली बोला है कि अमेरिकन नेवल बेस एट पर्ल हार्बर, तो ये बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक है. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द ओवर हियर.
Group of Americans.
नहीं, अमेरिकन नेवल बेस एट पर्ल हार्बर तो क्या જ્યાં અમેરિકન નેવી નું
નહીં,
બેઝ
એટલે
છે.
આખા અમેરિકન માટે છે એટલે ધ વપરાય એમ કહેવા માંગુ છું મેડમ.
ના 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 નેવલ બેઝ ક્યાં અમેરિકામાં નેવલ બેઝ બહુ બધી જગ્યાએ હોઈ શકે. ઓકે, પણ આ સ્પેસિફિકલી લખેલું છે કે પર્લ હાર્બર પર નેવલ બેઝ હતો, તો આપણે બહુ શ્યોર છે એટલે આપણે ધ જ વાપરીશું. ઓકે, એ ખ્યાલ આવ્યો કે નથી હજુ ખ્યાલ આવતો? कंट्री है इसलिए नहीं. नो
મેમ
નહીં, અમેરિકન નો
ભારતી.
આખો સમૂહ છે, બધા અમેરિકન્સ આવી ગયા એટલે હું કહેવા.
નો.
બે ડેશમાં ધ જ આવે ને.
હા, મેં સાચો આન્સર આપ્યો છે ગ્રુપમાં, ચેટમાં જુઓ. I have given the correct answer. The Japanese attacked the American naval base at Pearl Harbor. Not because it's a country. I have specifically told you કે country ની આગળ ધ નહીં મૂકવાનું. મેં તો તમને એ જ શીખવાડ્યું. તો હું જે શીખવાડું છું એનું તમે હજુ બી ઊંધું બોલો છો. Okay, let me do the fourth one. This is the fourth sentence. Harshit added dash spoon of sugar to his cup of tea. I think this is very easy. Omdev and Rahul have answered. Who else? Harshit added dash spoon of sugar to his cup of tea. Come on, this is so easy. All of you should know this. या इतना इजी है कि आप लोगों को आंसर ही नहीं करना है सर कि यार ऐसे कौन आंसर देगा इसका यस ओके नहीं व्हाई नो आर्टिकल भारती व्हाई नो आर्टिकल
સ્પૂન માં કેટલી સ્પૂન નાખે એમ કેમ ખબર પડે
હા સોરી શું કીધું
કેટલું નાખ્યું કેમ ખબર પડે
હા એ બરાબર છે તમારી વાત કે પણ આમાં સ્પેસિફિકલી મેં કીધું છે કે આર્ટિકલ યુઝ કરવાનું રાઈટ એટલે આપણને ખબર છે કે 3 માંથી એક જ જવાબ આવશે અ એન કે ધ આમાં તો એન તો ના જ આવી શકે કેમ કે અહીંયા વાવલ નથી બરાબર હવે સ્પેસિફિક નથી નો ધ કરેક્ટ આન્સર ઇઝ a spoonful of sugar. Okay, next sentence you will have to fill in 4 blanks, okay? તો બહુ જ હું ટાઈપ કરીને મૂકું છું પછી વિચારીને મને આન્સર આપ वो सोच के फिर आंसर दो मुझे और 5 आंसर है टोटल एकदम जल्दी मत करना आप Please read and think and then answer. Think. Dash students who came for the test means exam, were asked to bring dash pencil, dash eraser and dash scale. Rahul, Omdev Singh have answered. Both are wrong. Bharti, there have to be 5 blanks, not 3. એટલે હું તમને કહું છું કે ઉતાવળ ના કરો શાંતિથી કરો વિચારીને યાર તું ગ્રામરના રૂલ્સ ના બદલ રાહુલ આવી રીતે વાવલ્સ કેટલા આવે છે કે આટલા બધા એન લગાડી દીધા ઓકે
મોઢે બોલું કદાચ ટાઈપિંગ માં કદાચ
okay Manisha has given the correct answer.
Okay.
It is the students who came for the test were asked to bring a pencil, an eraser and a scale. Okay.
તો મેં ઈ જ કર્યું તું મેમ આન્સર માં
તે 3n અને 4a.
અરે મારા ભૂલમાં એન્ટર દબાવાઈ ગયું એટલે મેં બીજી વાર પાછો આન્સર સબમિટ કર્યો તો જો મેં 2 વાર આન્સર સબમિટ કરેલો મેમ
સારું
પેલું ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ પછી થર્ડ ફોર્થ એવી રીતે
ઓકે સમજી ગઈ મને એમ કે તું એવું કહે છે
સ્વીકારું છું એવું કાઈ નથી પણ આ તો હું કહું છું ખાલી જસ્ટ તમને
સારું ઓકે તો the students why it will come કેમ કે MB students is plural અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આપણે સ્પેસિફિકલી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ની વાત કરીએ છે પેન્સિલ કોઈ બી પેન્સિલ લાવવાની છે એટલે અ પેન્સિલ એન ઇરેઝર why because eraser is vowel e એટલે વાવલ થી ચાલુ થાય છે અને સ્કેલ બી કોઈ બી સ્કેલ લવાય એટલે a ઓકે so the N, sorry, the, A, N and A. That is the correct answer. Okay, next one. My cousin writes articles for Dash Hindustan Times. अभी आज के जमाने में बहुत सारे लोग पेपर नहीं पढ़ते हैं. आई थिंक कई लोगों के घर में भी पेपर नहीं आता है, तो न्यूज़पेपर की वैल्यू कम हो गई है. Okay, so Hindustan Times used to be quite a famous paper, and yes, everybody is giving me the correct answer. That is the. So very good. इतना थोड़ा उतरा है. तो हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स प्रॉपर नाउन है, बट न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है, तो उसके पहले हम लोग द यूज कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली अ हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स तो नहीं बोल सकते, राइट? सो दैट द इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी रिलीव्ड. दैट रिलीव्ड मीन्स मुझे शांति हुई कि करेक्ट आंसर तो आया. ओके, जस्ट अ फ्यू मोर सेंटेंसेस. This is a old saying that I think you people have heard. Lion is king of the jungle. ये I think सबने सुना होगा. Why I have no idea कि क्यों lion को ही king बनाया है जंगल का. But dash lion is dash king of the jungle. Okay. हाँ. Okay. Rahul and Mudassir are giving me the right answer. So the correct answer is going to be the in both. Okay. The lion is the king of the jungle. That's the correct answer. Okay, let me see. We have a little more time. I'm going to give you 2 more sentences. And what I think I will do today for homework, I will take a photograph and I will put it in the group. And this type of a grammar exercise only. So please try to do that. Okay. From one of my reference books, I will take the picture and send it to you in the group. This is number 8, I think. Okay. Dash juice served to us was too sweet to drink. Dash juice served to us was too sweet to drink. अब कौन सा आएगा आर्टिकल? Okay, I'm getting 2 different answers. Rahul, Omdev, Krishna. Okay, the correct answer is the here because हम लोग specific juice के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि जो juice serve किया था, it was too sweet to drink. So that is why here we will have the. Okay, one last sentence. Again, we've got, you will have to fill in 3 blanks. Dash apple, dash day keeps dash doctor away. This is also a saying, right? Like lion is king of the jungle. This is also a saying. You might have come across this. ये सुना होगा आप लोगों ने. Dash apple, dash day keeps. हाँ, इसलिए इतना easily सबने आंसर दे दिया. बट पहले ये समझो कि क्यों हम लोग ये यूज कर रहे हैं. रिजवाना ओम आंसर किया है और किसी को आंसर करना है तो दिस इज द लास्ट सेंटेंस फॉर द डे. Okay, so an apple a day, and because of vowel, a day keeps the doctor away. That is correct, which mostly all of you have answered. Yes, so today's topic was articles. Why I used articles? Because nouns हमने अगले क्लास में सीखा है. तो nouns के बाद articles किस तरह से correct use करने हैं, that you should be knowing. So that is why I chose articles. And today, as I said, the homework is going to be, अभी मैं एक exercise आपको group में भेज रही हूँ. तो वो exercise के answers आपको करके मुझे अब next class है परसों. That's on Wednesday. So you will have to send it to me by tomorrow night. Okay, please. Wednesday आप लोग मुझे homework भेजते हो तो मेरे लिए last minute पे check करना difficult हो जाता है. So I want the homework by tomorrow night. So we are going to meet day after tomorrow, Wednesday at the same time. Okay. Thank you everyone. Please do your homework and I'll see you on Wednesday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.